Sumit. Today we'll be unveiling the new 125 Duke, and we have before that we have KTM Adventure 250, which is just like the Adventure 390, just a little bit on the lower, like in terms of electronics, this on the lower side. Again, so we have Mr. Karan Vazirani here. So we'll be unveiling the KTM Duke 250. We'll quickly wrap it up and then we'll go to 125 Duke. Please. So let me give you a small background of Mr. Karan Vazirani. He's a YouTuber and he owns KTM 390 Adventure. So he has a good history with KTM. Earlier he used to ride Duke 390, now he shifted to Duke KTM Adventure 390, and he has done phenomenal changes and customization to his bike. So I'll be handing over to him to just a quick walk around about the 250 Adventure. He'll be able to tell you.
The Adventure 250 is a nice bike, and in this segment you get a lot of features. There is no other adventure bike available in market as of now, and if you see, it is more like 390 Adventure. The design is almost the same, only some of the other features have been changes made.
Right, so as Karan rightly said, so we are using the Duke 250 engine, and now the tank capacity is almost similar to the 390 ADV, that is 14.5, which covers almost 360-380 kilometers. And the stance is again more or less very similar to the KTM ADV 390. Other than that, we have a LCD screen, which is in 390 ADV we have a TFT screen, and in 250 ADV we have the LCD screen. Again, there is a dual channel ABS with Supermoto mode. Supermoto mode is like you can completely switch off the rear ABS. So yeah, it is a very you can call it a commuter as well as a tourer. So it can serve both the purposes. Like you can ride it in the city as well as when you want to tour, you can use it. So yeah, that's about the 250. The headlights are halogen it comes with the DRLs, and yeah. So not wasting much of our time, we have the new KTM 125 Duke. So a lot of people are waiting for this look because it was already there in European market, but in India people used to always ask, "Yaar, 125 Duke, नए look में कब आएगा?" So here we are. So we'll quickly unveil this bike. We have Mr. Rahul Mane. He'll do it for us, and so our one more guest, Mr. Rakesh Kadam, will just quickly unveil the bike. Please. So here it is, the all new KTM Duke 125 with the similar look of Duke 200, 390 and 250. Now it comes with the DRL headlamps plus a bigger tank capacity, which is around 14.5 liters, and the KTM, so the look is inspired from the KTM 1290R, plus the trellis frame, which is standard as KTM in KTM all the models. So it generates around 14.5 PS and 12 Nm torque. The details of KTM Duke 125, which is newly launched. So firstly, I'll talk about the headlamps, which is as similar as coming in the Duke 200. So which comes with the DRLs plus the halogen, and we have the same setup of WP suspension in the front and the black alloy wheels, along with the new stickering of Duke 125, which is inspired by the Duke 1290R, and the standard KTM trellis frame which is there in Duke 250, Duke 390 and all those bikes. So here we have the 125cc engine which generates 14.5 PS and 12 Nm of torque. And at the back we have the WB suspension again. So it's a single channel EBS. So there's a single channel EBS unit in this bike, and there's a completely LED setup for the tail light. So it is compiled with again the same as 6 gears ratio. So now it comes with the 13.5 liter fuel tank capacity. Earlier there was a 9.5 tank capacity. As far as digital console is concerned, so we have all the details over here, like side stand sensors, and there is a fuel indicator and the engine heat temperature. So this is a liquid cooled engine, and yeah.
स्टार्ट करते हैं।